Next type of questions can be, as you can see, question number 28. A textile firm uses 20 per hour cost for direct and indirect labor maintenance and estimates downtime costs on any of the large group of spinning machines at rupees 100 per hour per machine. If the breakdowns are distributed according to Poisson distribution with a man of 4 per hour, number of units a worker can serve is 6 breakdowns per hour, distributed exponentially. So what is the optimal maintenance crew size? Crew size means like how many workers should be appointed, whether we should go for one size of the crew means one worker or two worker or three worker. So we will have to tell that how many workers should be employed. So depending upon the question, now first note down whatever is available to us. As you could see, the information available in the question was lambda, that is our arrival rate was given, which was 4 per hour. So 4 machines were breaking down. Then the mu was also given in the question. It was given that a worker can give service to 6 breakdowns. So 6 breakdowns per hour was the mu. So this was the basic information given. Now we have to tell that what should be the crew size. So we will start with first point. Assume that crew size or number of workers is equals to 1. So if crew size is equals to 1, it was given in the question that 20 per hour cost for indirect and direct labor maintenance. So labor cost is rupees 20. So now how we will calculate the cost? We will also note down the breakdown cost. So it was given that the breakdown cost is rupees 100 per hour per machine. So we will note down that also. Breakdown cost was rupees 100 and this labor cost was rupees 20. So if our crew size is 1, as you have seen in all the questions for calculating the waiting cost or breakdown cost, we calculate En, and the formula for En is this. So in this question, lambda is 4, mu is 6. As one worker is working, so mu will be 6 upon 4. So it will be 4 upon 2, that is 2. So first component breakdown cost, if we have to calculate, it will be 2 En into cost is 100. So 200. Second cost will be the labor cost. So one worker has been appointed as crew size is 1 and the labor cost is rupees 20. So our first answer is going to be rupees 220 if the crew size is 1. Right? So when the crew size is 1, we got the answer of rupees 220. Now again you will write here the second point, assuming the crew size to be 2. I will just make changes over here only. If I assume the crew size to be 2, so what will be my changes? Now see, lambda is going to be same because this is the arrival, it's not going to change. Mu is going to change. Mu is what? Service time. Earlier service was 6 per hour, but now we are saying crew size is 2. It means now 2 workers will be there to work. So instead of 6, now they can handle 12 machines. So it will be 4 divided by 8. So 4 divided by 8, our En will be, you can say 0.5 or 1 upon 2. So now breakdown cost will be, now instead of 2, it will be 0.5 into 100. So 0.5 into 100, it will be 50 rupees. Now see, labor cost earlier it was 1 into 20 because 1 was the crew size. Now 2 workers are working, so both of them will be demanding the payment. So it is going to be 40. So now total answer for second, if there are 2 people working, is rupees 90. So our first answer was 220, second answer is 90. Now third case. Now we will assume that crew size is not 2, the crew size is 3. If the crew size is 3, now we have 3 workers to give service. So it will be 6 into 3, 18. So 4 divided by 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4 will be 14, so it will be 4 upon 14. 4 upon 14, we will divide this, so 4 upon 14 will be 0.285, like that. So when you will calculate the cost, downtime cost, rupees 100 into 0.285, so it will lead to 28.5 cost. Now what will be the labor cost? Because now 3 workers are coming, so it will be 3 into 20, 60. So total cost is rupees 88.5. So when the crew size is 3, it is 88.5. Now you can see cost is reducing. Now I'll go for the 4 crew size. If crew size is 4, lambda is same, but this is going to change. So it will be 24, 6 into 4 minus 4. So it will be 4 by 20. 4 by 20, it means it will be 1 upon 5. So here when we will solve this, it will be breakdown cost is 1 upon 5 into 100. So breakdown cost will come out to be 20. But for the labor cost, now 4 people are working. So labor cost will be 80. So total cost will be 100. Now you can see when the crew size is 4, the cost has started increasing. The cost was 220, then it came to 90, then 88.5, then 100, then you have to choose the minimum. Now again it has started increasing, so this is the point where cost is minimum. So you will give the conclusion that optimal crew size is 3. So when 3 workers will be appointed, so in that case it will be the lowest. However, another conclusion you can give, there is very minor difference. So crew size can be 2 as well as 3, as these are very close. So you can decide the criteria according to requirement.